this is Charlie, and I'm coming to you with your daily dose of business tech inspiration. The role, or topic number 305, sorry, the role of email in driving traffic to your website. Hopefully, it has become clear that some of the aim of doing all of this marketing via email is to get people to come back to your website. It's important whether you may not, I shouldn't stutter. You might not understand it. It might not have been clear as to why, but your website is the thing that people will come to look at. Your website is the thing that can be consistent throughout all of this. I've spoken previously about using social marketing and social media as your websites and such, and why I think it's a bad idea. Your website is the thing that you have control of. You can move your hosting. If your hosting provider changes their rules about what content they want on it or what content they don't want on it, you can move to a new provider. You can pick up your website and you can move generally. Social media, you don't have those sorts of things. So, okay, so that's why you want a website. Then you've got search engine marketing and search engine optimization. Search engine marketing, search engines still provide 70% of traffic towards your website. People go searching for things, and 70% of people still use search engines to find a solution to their problem. And your website is going to be where they come to find out how you can solve their problem. I'll get there, I promise. I'm going to connect all this up. When the search engine when search engines look at a website to say, do we want to be ranking this higher? Part of what they look at is the amount of traffic that comes to a website. So it's really important when we do our marketing that we drive people back to our website so that we get that traffic boost, so that boost then goes to the search engine so that we can get more of the market share of that 70% of the people looking to solve problems. That was a long way around. Sorry, I hope that makes sense. Basically, we want to drive traffic to our website so that we can get a better search engine result. Not only just that, because then people will buy things from us or sign up to our offers or whatever it is. We can continue that marketing journey and that client journey with them. So what are the things we need to think about when we are using email to market to our clients or to our subscribers, to our people, our target audience? The first thing is, of course, we need to include strategic links in our emails. Use email to direct subscribers to key pages on your website, such as blog posts, product pages, special promotions. It's going to include that will just on its own increase your site traffic. Now you'll notice that we didn't say just drive them to the homepage. You need to use strategic links. Oh, so we're talking about this benefit here, and this is really good. Why don't you have a read about what so-and-so said about it? Or why don't you look at the white page that we've put up on it? And link that back to a blog post that you've written about it, or link back to a study that you've put up on your website about the thing that you're talking about. So it's not just to the homepage. Make sure it goes to inside pages, deep links into your website. Really, really important. You can share snippets of the blog posts or articles in your emails to encourage recipients to click through to your website for the full content. I know a lot of people will write full articles for their newsletters and just put them all in the newsletters because, people don't want to click out. That's fine. I've kind of gone both ways in my marketing, and I will often write a specific article for my newsletter and then put in 2 or 3 other blog posts that relate to that article and link out to them. So if people have enjoyed that article, they can then link out and read more about what it is I'm talking about. So that works really well. But if you are only going to do one of those things, I'd actually recommend you just do excerpts or snippets or blurbs from your articles and link into your website so that people go and read them on your website. You can offer special promotions or discounts that are only available through email, motivating your subscribers to visit your website to claim the offer. Now, remember, I have spoken about this so many times when this one comes up in the recommendations. If you are going to offer an exclusive offer to email subscribers, make sure it is an offer to only your email subscribers. The thing that you don't want is to say, hey, we've got this really special offer for our email subscribers, come to the website to get it. And then they get to the website and there it is on the home page. Exactly the same offer. That's not exclusive to me. That's just an offer that you sent out. Yeah, be honest in your marketing. Be genuine. Be mindful of how that's going to land on your subscribers. Use emails to share personalized product recommendations or content based on their behavior, on your subscriber behavior, and direct them again to relevant pages on your website. So you've got to have a really good email marketing system. Email marketing system. Sorry, I was just trying to think of the other word that I could use there, so that when you send out emails to people, you can track what links they're clicking on, what they're interested on. If you've got a CRM, customer relationship management database, linking that all together as well, so you can see what they're inquiring about, what they're visiting on the site outside of your email marketing, you can start to really hone down your personalized recommendations. Promote upcoming webinars, events, or live demos via email. That's going to drive traffic to your website for the event registration pages. That was really important, actually. I want to talk a little bit on that one, just a little deeper. So many of us use third-party webinar systems or third-party event systems, and the registration page is actually on someone else's website. It'll be on the provider's website. And when we link to it, we're linking out to that. We're not linking to our website. If you are going to be using a third-party system to do your webinars and to do your registrations, see if you can embed their widget on your webpage, on your website, and have a specific page for that. That's of benefit to you. You don't want to be giving too much traffic away to third parties at this point. The idea is that you need to be building your presence on the website, on the internet. And make sure, finally, that you have a consistent email schedule. Send emails regularly to your subscribers to create a consistent flow of traffic to your website over time. That one was a duh. The idea also with being consistent and having that regular flow of emails is you are starting to train your subscribers to look for your content. So if your content is good and people enjoy reading your email, if they know that it comes out at 10 o'clock on Monday mornings, it's a weekly email and it comes out at 10 o'clock on Wednesday mornings, they will be looking for it. I know that I have people that I go looking for. I haven't seen their email today. Oh, look, I've lost it in the stream of things that have come in, but I enjoy reading their content. I enjoy reading what they've got to say, so I go looking for it. You can be training your subscribers to do similar things if you do it well. What do you guys think? I'd love to know what's worked for you, what doesn't work for you. How do you feel about it when you get this sort of information in your inbox? What is it, when you're looking at emails that you receive as subscribers? What works for you and what doesn't work for you? That's great to know as well. Leave comments wherever you are watching or listening to this video. We will respond to you. You can DM me on any of our social media channels and I will respond to you. You can come and join our locals community, askcharlyleetham.locals.com. I would love to have you join the conversation over there. As always, if you can remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell, I would really appreciate it. And tomorrow, guys, we are going to talk about promoting special offers and discounts through email and why that's important and the things that you need to think about as well. Until tomorrow, guys, have a great day. Talk to you tomorrow.